Right, this month in our product review pages we've been looking at cordless gardening tools, and Steve and I have got a couple here that we're going to just demonstrate. So Steve, what have you got there?
Well, I've got this Draper trimmer and edger. It's got two gadgets that come with it. This one's great for just edging your grass, very simple, and on the edge, or doing your edges along the side there. Nice.
Look at that, that's good, that is.
Not bad, is it?
Yeah.
Or you can swap it, and you've got a little hedge trimmer, either for a small hedge or a bit of topiary, I suppose, if you're box balls, that sort of thing. They're very handy for that. So I say that's a Draper one. Very good.
Yeah.
You've got two?
Well, I've got this hedge trimmer from G-Tech, and as you can see it's on an extended pole. Probably not too useful for small hedges, but if you've got some large ones like these behind me, they're really useful. It's a really useful tool. Basically that's detachable, which is the battery. You charge it with an electric plug, and then it just slots in there nicely, and then you've got lots of reach for large hedges or tall hedges.
Or even a short hedge if it's someone like me.
Yeah. But what's really good is that the head is adjustable. So for example, you can just do a little bit of that. Saves you getting on a ladder. That's lovely. But also if you want to do the sides, easy to use. And you can get a large hedge absolutely done in no time, and also it extends backwards a little bit as well. So if you've got any kind of, if you wanted to come from that angle, and it's good battery life on it. Charge it overnight and you'll be going, probably do all of this hedge and more in one go. So nice piece of kit that. Of course, if you are doing something extensive, you do need to probably put some goggles on and gloves.